Hi traders, in this video I will tell you why I think that short-term trading is better in my opinion compared to long-term trading. So first of all, I feel very comfortable with short-term swings. To be honest, historically forex trading and stock trading has been the domain of only professional traders. But today we have a lot of tools at our disposal that gives us access to excellent momentum price action indicators where we can actually gauge the momentum and actually take on those short-term swings. The thing is that short-term trading has become very popular during recent years, especially because proper risk management can give you a great return of investment in short term. And if you're still not sure what I'm talking about, you can always visit my blog where I showed how to turn actually 300 euros into 1,000 euros in short-term time. So the thing is, we have a lot of tools at our disposal. Also, short-term trading gives me the feel of getting involved in the market because I'm constantly monitoring the markets, watching the price, taking on a lot of opportunities where you can make some money if you know what you're doing. You will definitely develop a good market feel because when you look at the charts, when you have a good screening time, it will definitely help you to have a great market feel. For example, in my early days of trading career, I've been monitoring charts for like 8 years per day, and that is actually that proved very, very good to me because I have that market feel. I always compare the prices historically to now moment and to predict a future result. Also, there is a big speed advantage of day trading called momentum, and the key advantage of day trading is definitely the speed. Electronic order execution is very fast. For example, if you have a good broker with a good ECN, of course, I always recommend Arm Markets because the ECN is simply great. That speed of an execution can really be an advantage to your trading. Confirmations of trade are received in a split second, and also exiting trades is very easy and fast as entering the trade positions. That way we can exploit momentum to its best, and basically that gives us a huge opportunity for breakout trades and for short scalp swings. Also, there is a huge control advantage of day trading, and day traders are always in control of their own trading. So we know our brokers. We examine financial data. We also access the trends, and we make our own decisions to buy or sell. We don't have to worry about the slippage, of course, and we can monitor the price tick by tick, so we can exit, we can place profit stops. Definitely it's a great joy to know that you're riding a free ride once market goes in your favor. By placing a profit stop, you're actually riding a free ride. During trading at any point, we know the exact price, we know if we want to exit or not. Also, it's very important to say that, for example, not just by trading forex, but by trading commodities like gold, gas, wheat, corn, oil, you can enter and exit trade in a matter of seconds. Have you ever tried to trade equities? If you had, you definitely knew what I mean. So definitely DAX, Nikkei, or other indices, equities market, they are very fast, and you can make a huge money just by trading momentum in equities markets. As I already said, it's the speed, and there is no overnight exposure, or it's less overnight exposure compared to long-term trading. At the end of trading day, we can close off all of our positions. If we keep our trade going on, for example, we can do it only a swing trade, keeping the trade for 4 or 5 days. We don't have huge overnight exposure compared to long-term trading where you need to pay for swaps, when you need to pay for interest. course, if they're negative, and you will be prone to unknown political conditions. And when I say political risk and unknown economical risk, look at long-term trade, or I love to call it investment, of dollar Swissy during the 4 years. First of all, traders who traded the dollar Swissy and euro Swissy longer term, they actually made an investment, because I think that long-term trading is not actually trading, it's more like investment. And look at this dollar Swissy, all the 4-year profit gone in a split second when Swiss National Bank decided to unpeg the currency from euro, and it created a huge earthquake in the market, and traders who traded dollar Swissy long, all of their profits were gone in a split second, guys. 4 years of profit. So I don't think that long-term trading really justifies the return of investment, because of the huge exposure to macro and world economy risk, because you never know what can happen during years. So long-term investment, definitely, in my opinion, now I'm talking from my personal experience, it's not the thing I like to do. I prefer short-term trading, swings, 1 to 5 days trading, and that is actually, you can always read my analysis pre-fact each day on admiralmarkets.com and Forex Street, also Forex Factory. You can always see the result of that trade, and most of the time it will be in profit. But it doesn't matter, guys. You can try whatever you think it's appropriate to you and your psychology. And once more, a famous quote of Mr. Albert Einstein, and he said basically that a person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. So feel free to experiment and find your own trading style. Cheers, and as I always say, trade safe.